Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 12 of How to Crochet Granny Square series. Today we are brightening up with a beautiful crochet design, the Sunflower Granny Square. This cheerful motif is perfect for blanket, afghans or home decor projects. So grab your yarn and hook and let's bloom into the creativity. I'll walk you through each and every step, so let's get started by taking your materials. For this project I am using these 4 colors and a 3mm hook. So let's get started by taking a brown color. We are going to make a middle section of the sunflower. Just take the tail end on the left hand and the working yarn on the right hand and wrap it around your finger in such a way that it makes an X. Now insert the hook under the bottom yarn and pull up the upper yarn and twist it in such a way that it makes a loop and chain 1 from the working yarn. Now take out your fingers and work chain 3, 2 and 3. Now work 12 double crochets into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I will not count this chain 3 as a stitch. Just pull the tail end to close the circle and slip stitch into the first stitch, 2 and the round 1. Now chain 2 and work chain 3 as a double crochet, yarn over and work a double crochet into the same stitch. This is an increase stitch. Now in the same way work an increase stitch in every stitch or 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So in the end you have total of 24 double crochets. Okay, I will meet you at the end of the round. Just work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. In the end you have total of 24 double crochets. Now I have reached the end of the round. Now slip stitch to end the round or join the round, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now this is the middle part of the sunflower. Now take the yellow color and join into any of the stitch and chain 3. Now this chain 3 I will count as a double crochet. Now double crochet into the same stitch where we chain 3. Now triple crochet into the same stitch. Again triple crochet into the same stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch into the first space where the hook easily passes. Just slip stitch here. Now again triple crochet into the same space. Again triple crochet. Double crochet. Again double crochet into the same space. Now this is one petal of my sunflower. Now skip the very next stitch. Skip the very next stitch and into the next stitch work a single crochet. Now into the next stitch work a single crochet and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now again work a double crochet into the same space 2 triple crochets into the same stitch. Again triple crochet, total of 2. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and slip stitch into the first, into the space of the triple crochet where the hook easily pass. Just slip stitch here to make the tip, pointed tip. Now again 2 triple crochet into the same space, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now double crochet into the same, again 1 more double crochet. Now repeat this stitch pattern until you reach here. Just skip the very next stitch and into the next work a single crochet, and into the next stitch work a single crochet and chain 3 as a double crochet. In the same way I will show you only one, rest I will make off the camera. Just double crochet into the split stitch, same, 2 triple crochet, yarn over twice, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the space, and again 2 triple crochet into the same stitch, again triple crochet and 2 double crochet. Skip the very next stitch and work a single crochet into the next stitch, work a single crochet, and repeat the same stitch pattern, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have completed my round with petals. Now into the next stitch work a single crochet, and in the last stitch work a slip stitch to end the round. So we have total of 8 petals in the end. Now from the back side work chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and work a single crochet into these 2 V's. You can easily see this is the single crochet stitch. Now pass the hook from this V and work a single crochet, now again work chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again work a single crochet into this V, again work chain 4, 3, 4, and work a single crochet into the single crochet V, chain 4, and work one, two, three, 4, in this way reach this end. Work chain 4 and single crochet into the this V of single crochet into this, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached the point where our chain 4 begin. Now slip stitch into the chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now you can see our chains are created. Now take the green color and attach it to any of the chain 4 space, and work chain 3 and work 3 double crochets into the same chain 4 space. I will count this chain 3 as my first double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain 4 space work 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 4 double crochets into the next chain 4 space, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now work chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain 4 space work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I think you are clear now. Okay, work 4 double crochets in each chain 4 space, and I will meet you at this point. Now I am at the end of my round. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 to end the round. Now we have to reach here, so we will work slip stitch into the stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, and slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Now chain 3, and for the next round work a double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. This works as my first corner. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now into the next chain 3 space work a single crochet. Now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3 and 4 double crochet into the same chain 3 space. Chain 3 into the next work a single crochet. Now again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3 and 4 double crochet into the 2, 3, 4. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the chain 3 to end the round. Now you can see this is the wrong side of the square, and we can easily see our square is created. Now you can see this is my back side of the square and this is the good side. Now attach the yarn into the corner, white yarn from the good side, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 2 double crochets into the chain 3 space or in the corner. 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Now into the next space or in the next stitch work a double crochet into the next stitch. In other words, in next 4 stitches work double crochet in each stitch. 2, 3, and 4. Now work 4 double crochets in chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. In next chain 3 space, work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. In next 4 stitches, work double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Into the corner, work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and again 3 double crochets into the same chain 3 space. Now in the same way, work 4 double crochets on the top of double crochets into the chain 3 space, work 4 double crochets into next chain 3 space, work 4 double crochets on the top of double crochets, work double crochets, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached the end. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 to end the round, chain 1 and slip off the yarn. And that's a wrap. Your stunning sunflower granny square is now complete. You have harvested the perfect blend of texture and elegance. Don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorials and patterns. Share your finished crochet squares on social media using hashtag crochet with Zara. Check out our free pattern on my YouTube channel at @crochet with Zara. Thanks for hooking along with me. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.